Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, let's talk about if you want to make a free shop to promote your designs and your products professionally, whether you are an affiliate of Redbubble or Zazzle. And of course, I have talked about how to be an affiliate of Redbubble or Zazzle, and you will find these videos below in the first comment, or promote your own products professionally on social media to get sales. So in this video, I'd like to share with you a new and an amazing way to make a free shop with powerful call to action just by using Google Sheet. Yes, you heard him right, Google Sheet. And now let's get started. Firstly and foremost, just you can open up a Google Sheet. Just go to these points, okay? And head to Google Sheets as you see here. Perfect. Just open a blank one, a new one, and therefore you have to put the details of your products you want to promote in your free shop, okay? Just like title, description, the price of your products, the link that direct people to your product page, okay, and the images of your products. So quickly add here title or the name, okay, here description, okay, and here price, here buy, the link of your products, okay, image 1, okay, and here image 2. If you want to add more images to the same product, convince customers more with the beauty of your designs. For example, if you want to make a shop that's specific for reading lovers, people who love books, so here on Google Sheet, just add some products for book lovers. We can get them from Redbubble, Teespring, Zazzle, TeePublic, and so on and so forth. So in our case today, just we can get these products from Redbubble, okay? Like this awesome design and this one, okay? Okay, and here on Google Sheet, just we can fill in these cells with the details of your products. Just we can add them quickly. For the first product, title book lover, for example, description, just we can get them from these product pages, okay, the description, but we can add them quickly. For example, reading lover, gift, for example, price, for example, $20, okay, buy, we can add here the link of your product, okay, so we can get this one, copy link to promote this t-shirt, copy link, back to our Google Sheet, paste, okay, just we can broaden this way, perfect. And for the second product, title, like reading lover, for example, description for a gift, okay, for book lover, and so on and so forth. Price, for example, we can make it 25, the link of your product, okay, so we can get this one, copy link, quickly, back to our Google Sheet, Ctrl V, perfect. And as for images, it's better for you to use professional mockups to showcase the beauty of your designs. And here on Google Sheet, you have to insert the links of your images. So how to get these such links of your images? Simply, you can upload your images to a host website, and therefore you can get links that you can use on your Google Sheet, okay? So in our case today, we can utilize this awesome website, which is called postimages.org, okay? Here you can upload your images and get links back, okay? So we can choose images, okay? Well, after uploading your images, make sure that you can select this one, direct link, okay? This option, direct link, as you see here. And therefore you can copy the links of both products, okay? As you see, copy back to our Google Sheet, and here on this column, image 1, just paste, okay, and now we can broaden these columns, perfect. and you can add the image number 2 for the first product as we said before. So back to our post images, and we can copy the first link. Okay, copy back to our Google Sheet and just Control V and paste. Okay, and of course we can add more products with the same details. Okay, just we can go share. Perfect. Anything like this. Okay, save, change to anyone with this link. Okay, perfect. Copy this link. Okay, and hit this website, which is called spreadsimple.com. spreadsimple.com, and then you can change and switch your spreadsheet to an amazing store. Okay, so first of all, just we can get started here, and you can just sign up with your Google account. Okay, simply get started. Okay, continue with Google, and now we are on the dashboard of your account on this website, Spreadsimple. Okay, on my websites, click on this plus icon, and here you can paste the link of your spreadsheet. Okay, Google Sheet. Okay, so Control V, continue, and just a few seconds you will turn this Google Sheet into an amazing store. Okay, perfect, as you see. And of course the first product has 2 images like this one. Okay, t-shirt and sticker or iPhone case. Okay, and the details of your product like title, description, and the price. Okay, here in this left panel, title, subtitle. Okay, just you can add this column on your Google Sheet. Okay, price is here, $20. Description. Okay, and of course we can make some description and the brief description about your design and about your product, plus a call to action. Okay, images, this product has 2 images. Okay, in this buy, just click over that, and button type, just we can click over this link for redirect the link of your product page, as we have taken from Redbubble. So we can select this one, buy, the column on Google Sheet, and you will find that we have added the buy button as you see here. Okay, and we can change its color from this option. Okay, we can change it to red, blue, green, and so on and so forth. Okay, as you see here. Perfect. And you can select card style like this one. Okay, style of showing your products on this store. Okay, as you see, like this one. Okay, card size like this one. Okay, and so on and so forth. Perfect. And here on this design option, you can change the theme of your store. You can change the color. Okay, you can turn it to black, gray, blue, like this one. Okay, as you see here. For the header, okay, just we can add header or not. Footer, the same. Home page intro. Okay, just we can change this intro. Okay, we can add here a title of your store. Okay, for book lovers, for reading lovers, and so on and so forth. And the same for page subtitle. Here we can add anything like this one. Okay, can change the font color from here. Okay, perfect. You can add your logo. Okay, cover image, so we can add an image as here, and so on and so forth. Okay, and when you are done with your amazing store, just save. Okay, and publish it. We can change its name. We can make it Raymond's or Coffee Lovers or Reading Addict, and so on and so forth. Okay, save, copy. Let's try it on a new browser. Okay, copy your browser. Okay, Control V, perfect. And here you are, your amazing store to promote your designs and your products. Okay, this intro, okay, title of your store, subtitle, background image, and your products. Okay, as you see here, images, different images to convince customers more. Okay, perfect. Title, subtitle, description, price, and a call to action. So if someone clicks over this button, okay, like this one, perfect, just takes me to your product page. Okay, as you see, perfect. Thus you can promote this store on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and so on and so forth, and you can take it as a bio link on Instagram to promote your products and your designs professionally. And now we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.